Okay, today we're replacing the brake pads, the rotors, and potentially the calipers on this 2006 GMC Yukon. First thing you do is pull off the tire. That's pretty simple to do. Next thing you do is you come down here and there's a 12mm bolt that's holding on the brake pad. That bolt came out really easy. So you just put that in your magnetic container, and then there's another one just down right here. So right here where my finger is, that's where you'll want to get that. Take those two out. Okay, what we're going to do now is pull off the caliper from the brakes, and that just slides off pretty easy. Just go back and forth, and you want to just set that to the side up top here. Next, what thing you're going to do is pull off these little brakes here. These come off. Watch out for these little clips. These ones are worn pretty low. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off this caliper. This is the caliper retainer, which comes back over here where my finger's pointing. There's a big bolt back there. You got to get that. You got to get that sucker off right there. And then there'll be another one right down there, if you can see that. Okay, this bolt here, I went ahead and pulled off, and I needed something a little longer, like this, with a little more leverage, and I had to hit the hammer right at this end to pull those off, and that was an 18mm. So these just come out pretty easily here, and then this caliper bracket comes right off. Okay, now all I'm going to do is pull this off, and voila, pretty easy. Okay, now I have this new rotor, and I'm going to just stick it right on here. Got this at AutoZone. This is the top of their line. It's a ceramic for towing, so it's a little more heavy duty. Okay, we're going to push in the calipers. So the first thing we want to do is unscrew your brake fluid cap, just like that. Okay, next thing you do to push in the pistons here in the caliper is you get a flat bar of some sort. Could be wood or metal. This just seems to be nice. You get a metal one, you get a C-clamp, and then you make sure it's hitting both of them at the same time, and then while it does that, you just kind of tighten your C-clamp until it pushes those pistons back in. And as soon as they're in all the way, you're ready to put your new brake pads on. Okay, before you put back and reassemble everything, you want to make sure and buy some brake cleaner, and you just clean this baby off. Make sure it's nice and clean before you start reassembling everything. And you'll want to do it again because, as you can tell, your hands are probably going to be pretty greasy. I'm going to go ahead and put back this caliper bracket now, and it's just going to fit back just right where it was. Okay, every brake pad should come with some new clips. These clips fit right in this bracket here. So you want to just set these on your bracket, and they're going to fit pretty snug there. It should set right in. And then when you put your new brake pad on, you're just going to slide it right where those new clips are going here. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. The other side's just going to pop in just that same way. Okay, now it's time to put the caliper back on. And that's just going to fit right in place. Hopefully it's a little snug. And you just line up your bolts here and your bolt down below. I have my bolt here, Then I'm going to go do the other one on the bottom side.